Hey YouTube fans, it's your girl Talylia.Blu3 and this is my mom.
Hi. Herbs keep me out of trouble and passa. Me no listen to ears or back chatter. Me nah no time for bust up no ratatata. Herbs direct me brain like a rascasa. Like I'm crying.
First, these are all the seasoning you will be needing when making this dish. Hey YouTube fans, it's your girl Talylia.Blu3 and this is my mom.
Hi, I'm
teaching you how to make
some turkey and tomato sauce. Right here, I have some rice, and then we're gonna have a little bit of rice. So I'm frying up the onions, the pepper, garlic, and tomatoes.
So you guys, what my mother is doing here is
And the tomato sauce to pour on the leftover turkey that I have in the bowl. The finished product will be very great.
and no, the turkey is not from Thanksgiving, it's from Christmas.
Yes, the leftovers. And now I will be adding a little turkey, the leftover turkey, to the vegetable that I stewed up. Take the bone out. Add this up in here. Stir it up. And you're going to cover it for a little bit, so the turkey can soak up the vegetables and the sauce. And then I'll add the tomato sauce to it, paste to it. With my little flavoring seasoning over there. This right here. And
A few moments later.
I'm going to add the tomato paste to the stew. And then I have here a cup of water that I'm going to add to it so the tomato paste can be nice and squishy and melt out. Stir it in so it can all blend. See what the turkey look like? And it tastes really good. Yes. I'm a chef. If you want to buy some food, hit me up. Any type of food you want. Now I'm going to add some water to this. Add some water to the can so I can get everything out of the can. And add a cup of water. And let it stew down like a little soup thingy. Then add some more seasoning. Give it a little extra flavor. Some black pepper. I don't measure my stuff. I have a guess in my head how much to put. Some garlic powder. And some parsley. Yes. And then you stir it in. And you let it simmer. Come to a little nice little boil. It's really good. And make sure I have enough seasoning inside of it. This is what you do with your leftovers. This is a finishing product. A little bit of rice on the plate. Some rice on the plate. There's a couple of us in the house now. The greedy one is upstairs. She about to come get her plate. You might see her. So she likes a lot of rice.
So you guys, this is the finishing product that my mom had made. I hope you guys enjoyed. And well, that is it for this video, guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And this was making leftovers with my mother. And remember, it's not Ghana, it's Guyana. Bye!